Now in the era of social media, everybody wants perfect image. But due to unwanted objects, their image doesn't look good. So not to worry guys. Now you can remove unwanted objects, defects, peoples or text from any images in just seconds. Even they will not reduce the quality. And this is 100% free and genuine guys. So let's start the video. Firstly, we'll have to come to this website, Cleanup.pictures. I have given the link in the description. Here, upload the image. Here, you will have to blur that part, whatever you have to remove it. So, I'll blur that part and see the magic. See the magic, guys. Would you believe there was a car? Nobody could believe that. So, this is the power of AI tool. So, any kind of unwanted objects, people, or any kind of defect not stop you to post your images on social media guys, and you can simply download it from here. So let me try once again. Upload the image, select the brush size, blur that part. Would you believe there was a girl? Nobody could believe. So this is amazing guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button down below and subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed. Have a good day, all the best.